Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my home. It's so beautiful here. The autumn is just starting to set in and it's in the air, and I'm having a harvest lunch this weekend. And of course, it wouldn't be a harvest lunch without cranberry sauce. I have been preparing this cranberry sauce for the last 20 years. It is, in my opinion, the best. I always have printouts in my kitchen because everybody wants the recipe, and I'm going to share it with you. Now let's get started. Cranberry sauce, this is what we will be preparing today. You're going to need 3 cups of filtered apple cider. I love this time of year just for the apple cider. My stove to medium high. I'm going to add 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and I'm going to mix and allow the sugar to dissolve. I'm going to add an additional 1/2 cup of purified water. 1 cinnamon stick, all these wonderful flavors. To add 3 star anise. I purchased the star anise in Morocco. 1, 2, 3. I'm raising the temperature to high. I'm going to add 1 Granny Smith diced apple. I'm going to tell you, the star anise, the cinnamon, the apple cider. Oh my goodness, if you could only smell my kitchen. Just going to let this cook for 10 minutes. Oh, it's absolutely wonderful. It's been cooking for 12 minutes, and now we're ready to add the cranberries. 3 cups of fresh cranberries. Now we're just going to let them pop and cook for approximately 20 minutes. I love that popping noise. The cranberries are going to pop, and eventually they will stop. My cranberry sauce is ready. I'm going to allow it to cool down to room temperature, and then I'm going to place it in one of these glass containers and in the refrigerator. Now, I wanted to mention that this cranberry sauce, for the best results, you really do have to prepare it 2 to 3 days before you're going to be using it. It really does make all the difference. Now leave the cinnamon stick and the star anise inside your cranberry sauce for the 2-3 days, and then once you're ready to use it, you can discard them. Okay, I have a lid here in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. I'm going to taste it for you. Oh. You know, I also put a little jar of this cranberry sauce on my cheese tray as well. Delicious. I can't wait to have this on my turkey. I want to wish you and your families all a wonderful Thanksgiving and a wonderful autumn season. It's Caterina from my home to yours. Hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel. Ciao.
Familiar highways, lined with leaves turn brown, making my way back into my hometown. Funny how this all looks different, but it feels the same.